Good morning, guys. Check out my fully upgraded helmet. Pretty fucking cool, right? I am definitely happy. The brake-free light. Basically the best light in the industry for showing braking. It's gonna make me a lot safer. Oh, I'm so happy. Guys, I've dreamed of having my helmet set up like this for years now. I just need to get these scruffed up a bit. They're a little new compared to this almost decade-old helmet at this point. Let's go. Look at this great initiative. By the way, warmest day of the year so far, 12 degrees Celsius. What? Oh my god. I'm walking around with just a t-shirt. Just made a fireplace. I'm just waiting to take a shower. It's occupied.
Occupation. Yeah, I sit out here for 2 hours, just enjoying the sun and the bonfire with the kitties, and everything is just amazingly perfect, amazingly harmonic.
It's a great day.
It's a good day.
It's a great start to a great day.
May it be even better than yesterday.
Oh.
Now it's just expanding.
Oh, I hope so. Let's just keep having consecutive amazing days.
Yes, I agree on that.
Alright, I got the shopping done. Bought some cat food. One of the residents asked me if I couldn't bring some. Of course! Not a problem. This is my first time riding with the brake free. I don't know if you can see that, but it's great. It gives a great sense of safety. Oh, let's get back home. I keep being uncomfortable with pulling out a camera in the middle of organic, great conversation and community. But I was sitting here hanging out with a few residents, Jewel and Naya and Moss. Then I went shopping, got back here. Now Jewel is helping me with the helmet. She's fixing my... there's like a little leather strap with the chin strap, which is breaking off. It's been coming apart, and yeah, she's gonna fix it for me. amazing. She's such a wonderful woman. Not just because she's helping me out with this, just in general. She's just great company. British woman who's been living in Denmark for a while, like for years, many years. I'm basically just sorting through all my electrical stuff right now, getting the tools in one place and the other stuff in one place, tape and irrelevant stuff. Yeah, I'm just sitting here sorting through it. The weather is great. There's no wind here. It almost feels like summer. Definitely feels like spring. Life is good, man. I'm not even concerned about whether or not I'm gonna get any money by the government soon, or from the government. Fingers crossed, but it's getting more and more difficult to deal with these people. Oh well, I'll figure it out one way or another. Okay, well, I thought I was gonna work on the electrical project right now, finish that thing up, but I think first things first, I'm gonna get rid of this broken and busted, what do you call it, mud guard, because, yeah, this thing, it does kind of spray everywhere. It's kind of ugly looking. It's just like fucked. I'm holding it in with screws and stuff. So yeah, gonna fix that now. I really like this sticker. I think Thomas put it on there, but I think it's falling off. Oh, maybe I can reapply it with some araldite, because I'm gonna use that to secure my alarm to the wheel. Also, I need to rewire this alarm. I need to open it up and change the lock button to the make a loud sound button, so I can just press this. It's a lot more intuitive to press this button than having to thumb through these ones to find the middle one. I use this as a what do you call it, a bike bell, like, to warn pedestrians and stuff that I'm coming up. But yeah, gonna get this one off, remove these screws that are holding it in place, change it out. One of these things broke off on the front. I mean, they broke off here, but I don't really need them here. But one of these broke off on the front. I think I'm gonna drill through and actually secure them, if possible. I'm not sure if I have what I need for that. Let's see. As I'm telling you, you only get this weather in Denmark. You can only experience this shit in Denmark. I've been to many countries, but you cannot get this. It's like a combination of the humidity and the sun and the intensity, and it's wonderful. I really missed it, much more than I remembered. It's so annoying, the music stops every time I'm working on stuff. I took this proto board and I cut off this tiny little section here. Next thing, I'm going to solder these little, what are they called again? It's like XH 5.4. I'll put it in the subtitle. But yeah, I'm gonna take two of these, put them in here. The purpose is I want to run a single one of these fan daughter boards, whatever you want to call them, but they only have one connector. So I'm gonna connect both of them to this thing, and then I'm gonna have a positive negative lead running into this thing right here. I just found out I need to do this first before I try to squeeze this fuse block down here, because it's gonna completely make it impossible to work in here after this thing has been properly secured with araldite. I have to make it perfectly. I don't think I'll secure it with araldite yet until I'm sure the system works. I've tested it all, and then I'll do it, because this was quite a bit of work to put together. I don't want to potentially break it. Alright, soldering. Well, let's go. I got my kit here. A USB soldering device. It's amazing. I've just been sitting here listening to Flash FM. Now I'm listening to Buena Vista Social Club. I'm moving along here. Got some wires made. Gonna replace the jaws and this crimp tool. Just keep working until Moss calls me over to hang out. It's good to be a little productive. Guys, a friend of Morten just appeared. A girl that I actually remember from back when I knew him 10 years ago. We're gonna go to the supermarket together, so I'm just getting my gear on right now. Um, sorry, I just don't feel very good about pointing a camera up in people's face when I haven't seen them for ages. But who knows? Maybe you'll see her in the future. Oh my god, guys. Thomas was messing around with this light, and now for the past week it's been like this. Like this. It's such bullshit, dude. Oh my god, this guy. Well, anyways, I had a nice talk with Felipa, is her name. You know, we know each other from somewhere where we never really had the time to talk. You know, we never really had the time to get to know each other, but we both wanted to, and seemingly we still do. So yeah, nice to rekindle a connection to an old friend. And we had a nice bike ride. I pushed her over to up the hills and stuff, over to the supermarket, and we got some things, got back, and here I am. I think I'm gonna do some editing, honestly, guys. I'm so behind.